Now moving to the corridors of justice, an Eldoret High Court has sentenced 2 police officers to 35 years, imprisonment each after they were found guilty of murdering Dennis Lusava, whom they tortured to death at Mbururu police post, that's in Kakamega County. Delivering their sentence, High Court Judge Reuben Nyakundi said that the right to life must be protected by everyone and that the officers did not have to kill the deceased. Details of this on the Scales of Justice segment.
Police Constables Emmanuel Wafula Vyambaka, 38, and Godwin Wekesa Sirengo, age 35, will remain behind bars for the next 35 years. Delivering the sentencing, Judge Reuben Nyakundi said the aggravating factors in the case outweighed the mitigation put forward by the convicts.
I sentenced each accused person to 35 years imprisonment, and they have 14 days right of appeal to the Court of Appeal. They can then test this decision and be able to see whether we exercised our discretion.
The judge said the right to life must be protected, and the convicts working with the National Police Service are entrusted to protect lives and property.
Add all what it takes to secure the life of the deceased in this matter. But unfortunately, that was never to be, and then we found ourselves in this litigation.
The deceased parents who were in court expressed satisfaction with the sentence.
Imetudhuru sana katika mawazo, magonjwa na mawazo mengi.
Mkiangalia sisi vile tuko, miaka nayo imeenda. Mimi mwenyewe nilizaliwa mwaka 1959. Sasa piga hesabu 59. Na hii watoto wenye niko nayo hii na hii nguvu yenyewe nayo hii, taweza hii watoto kweli?
Elsewhere, Milimani's Magistrate Court has deferred the plea taking for Naivasha Member of Parliament, Jane Kiara, to August 7th.
So in Doniment, I find that the requirements of a properly drafted charge sheet has been surmounted by the state. I find also on the face of the charge sheet, I'm of the conscientious view that the suspect will be able to fathom and adequately discern and be able to prepare for her defense.
The development came after our legal team prayed for the postponement of the plea to allow them appeal the ruling that said the charge sheet was well crafted by the ODPP.
So, we urge you to grant us this stay, subject our arguments to those 3 tests: who suffers prejudice, whether the proceedings will be rendered nugatory, whether they will amount to academic exercise.
Trial Magistrate Ben Makehobi was told there cannot be right of representation without the freedom of expression.
A much wider license in terms of her freedom of expression under Article 33 is read together with the parliamentary statutes and the separation of power doctrine.
Kiara's lawyer sought 14 days stay of the ruling, arguing that if the plea taking is allowed, it will set precedents of such cases in the future. The legislator was to face charges of offensive conduct. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.